Exploring some of the requirements of a steel mill, the supply of mill-prepared steel scrap is a vital function to ensure the continuous operation of the mill. In an effort to understand some of the key fundamentals that drive the waste and recycling industry, we have developed a website, waste.net, to act as a tool to assist in grasping the 4R strategy of reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Within the 4R's recycling sector, the supply of ferrous metals such as scrap iron and steel into the steel mills is achieved through the integrated operation of a critical supply chain. A purchasing agent at a steel mill is responsible for the procurement of a steady supply of thousands of tons of scrap feedstock each month, to keep the mill operating 24/7 around the clock. The scrap steel feedstock must meet the grades and specifications required by the mill and must be delivered on a schedule to fulfill continuous production. The job of the scrap dealers is to accumulate and prepare the monthly feedstock, for supply of the correct grades and specifications required by the mill. A typical scrap yard collects various scrap metals, sometimes in less than truckload quantities. This accumulation of mixed scrap may contain a variety of different sizes, shapes and grades. Sorting of the scrap removes any non-metallic contaminants and non-ferrous metals. The material is segregated into various grades as required by the mills. The scrap processing yard then sorts, grades and prepares the scrap metal into mill-ready shipments. The typical preparation of the graded materials may involve shredding, shearing or baling. Oversized items are commonly torched and cut down in size or length. This preparation step ensures a uniform size and shape of the materials, and converts it into an easy material handling and transportation form. One of the key driving requirements for the size and shape of the feedstock is determined by the restrictions of the throat size of the melting furnace at the steel mill. Scrap dealers typically deliver the mill-prepared steel to the mills in truck lot loads, of approximately 20 ton per load. If the scrap dealer has an order to provide 1,000 ton per month, in order to meet their commitment, they would be required to deliver 50 truck loads. In order to maintain the flow of a critical supply chain, a scrap dealer must collect, sort, prepare and deliver their allotment of the feedstock. This may require the accumulation of an inventory to compensate for seasonal or fluctuating market conditions. The combination of multiple scrap dealers, with combined production and inventory reserves, helps to ensure the orderly balance in both supply and demand. We intend to explore other aspects of the scrap metals industry at some point in the future. Until then, please feel free to reach out to us at your convenience. Waste.net provides a neutral platform to assist in finding a market for scrap, waste and byproducts, with the goal of matching waste material generators directly with beneficial users of those materials. By connecting market participants, we foster collaboration and promote environmental sustainability. Please feel free to visit us today at www.waste.net.